Yes, there's many ways to install, even per the manufacturer's recommendations, there's a lot of different ways to install their decking. We use hidden fasteners. The question specifically is, can you screw into it? Yes, you can do what's called face screwing in through the actual product. In fact, we do that on a lot of them, like on stairs. You kind of have to. You have to screw through the top of it. There's multiple ways to. We use color match screws, and it's virtually the same color as your deck, whether it's brown or gray or what have you. And so you'll use a brown screw, and then you'll screw that brown screw, and it'll be flush with the top of the board. So you'll see that on some staircases. You'll see that sometimes on some of the perimeter boards. Or another way of doing that is we screw through and plug, come back and plug. So there's a screw and plug option too. So you don't see the screw, but you have these plugs that go in there. So it countersinks the screw in there, and then you come back and put these composite plugs into their spot. So yes, you can screw through the boards, and in fact we have to in a lot of cases, whether it be on the stairs, whether it be on a picture frame deck. On the picture frame on the outside, we typically have to do it on spots along the picture frame, because on a typical board, where you're doing the hidden fasteners, you're doing it here and you're doing it here. But when this is on the outside, you can't attach here. You have to screw through here. You have to screw through an every joist to keep it from moving.